Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is Najhat Jannat Shima, SSC pass from Nutan Bajaman High School. I'm science student. I got A plus in this exam. Present in the stage are Honorable President of this function and Vice President and other activity or organizer of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir, and also present there many successful students of our tutorial area. Thank you everybody, thank you all for coming and joining with us in Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Thanks Honorable Authority for giving me chance to tell something in this great functions. I'm really happy and I'm really grateful that I can make speech in this stage. So I'm really grateful to Allah and also you. Present our guys, please attention. Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir try to meet us and try to convince us about how to be educated and try to be activate in our education sectors. We are students. We have to remind that we are students. We are the future leaders of our country. Because we have to remind that our independence, our language department, all are held by the students. So students call the future leaders of the country. We have to remind that education is the backbone of a nation. So nowadays, I have to tell that self-education is the backbone of a nation. We know that no nation can't prosper without education. So we have to be educated. We are students. So our main target is study. Now I am to share with you some performance of mine. Come from Dharan. My school's name, Nutan Bajaman High School. I got a plus in my PSC and I also got scholarship. I got a plus in my JSC. I also get talentful scholarship and I also got a plus in SSC. So how to be a success in health? It is only for my hard work, my parents' hard work, my schools all are held by hard activities. Friends, I want to tell you that without hard working, no man can prosper in the stage. Today's age is the competition age and today is the informations and technologies age. So to uphold you in this stage, we have to be moved in our total world. We can communicate with the last corners of this world by what? For information. So it is made by man. So it is easy for man. So man can do everything. Now we can say that we are the students of Sylhet division. We know that Sylhet is back than any other divisions in Bangladesh. So we have to show that we have to work hard, we have to read, and we have to be chance in university. And we can show that we are the first conditions of this Bangladesh. So we have to work hard. Guys, attention please. Shah Jalal Science and Technology University is in Sylhet, but we can't chance in this university. We are Sylhet, our division is in Sylhet, but we can find their chance in our university. But why? It is only for our idleness. We can't read all times. We are in our Facebooks, in mobiles. I can't say that don't use it, but I say that use it as a good side. And you can show that our university, we have to be chance in our university. Friends, I want to thank the Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir that they inspired us and they tries to show us our success, try to show us respect to our succeed because they invite us in this function. So we are really grateful to them because they evaluate our succeed. So we are successful and I say that our college life, our varsity life will be well by the grace of Allah. At last, I feel like ending my speech by this sentence. Many happy returns of the day. Thank you everybody. Thank you all. Thank you for hearing my speech.